Alright, so I think you have got the idea about eddy current a little bit, I guess. So, but don't worry, we will discuss it more. Okay, let's talk about the demonstration of eddy current. Okay, so I would like to give the picture over here so you can check it. So, first we are going to do something, that is we will consider, we will take a particular pendulum with a sheet on the place of, like at the place of a bob. Okay, then we are going to take an electromagnet. Okay, you can see the picture. You can take the electromagnet, and the electromagnet is winded, and you know the setup of electromagnet. So you can are connected it with the cell. So initially, by using the switch, we are switching off. Actually, we are switching off this one. I mean the electromagnet, and at that time, this we are allowing the pendulum to swing. So you can see the picture number 1. So picture A, so that is actually swinging. But what will happen if we switch on that? So before that connecting the electromagnet, before switching on the electromagnet, so there is something that some important point you have to understand. In that case, you know that in a regular case, in a normal case, that is a pendulum has some sort of like damping force acting on it. What is that? The air resistance. Okay, obviously there will be air resistance acting on that. So what you have to understand is, so after, like, when we switch on this electromagnet, so there will be an eddy current passing through it. Okay, so what will happen? So there will be continuous flux change. So there will be eddy current on that. So this eddy current will be acting as damping force. So that is the biggest damping force that will have that will act on that right that away. I mean at that moment. Okay. So then I would like to tell you something. So this damping force will make the pendulum to stop in a very little time. In a very time, I mean little bit of time. So but the thing is, you have to understand one thing, that is how to reduce that eddy current. So this is the demonstration. This is the beautiful demonstration of eddy current. So we can actually reduce the eddy current due to that eddy current that is happening, right? I mean, this pendulum will come to rest as soon as possible. But the thing is, you can make the you can make the sheet, you can make the bob of the pendulum is like different parts. You can combine them and you can make it like that. You can see the picture 3. Okay, so like that you can, or you can do one thing, that is you can take the sheet and you can make alternative cuts in the sheet. So then what will happen? You will get reduced eddy current. So it will be less, eddy current will be less. So it is very clear. Okay, so I think you have a like very good idea about this right now. And then we will discuss more about that. And first one, drawbacks of eddy current. So we have discussed demonstration of eddy current. So you just if you haven't got it very well, so you think about it again, and then you will get it. Okay. So why that cuts on the plate? Because to reduce the eddy current. Okay, because eddy current acts as what? The damping force. Okay, that is the damping force which has that at that moment. Okay, the considerable amount of damping force, not like air. Air is also producing damping. You know that when you try to make a pendulum, when you try to swing it, then what will happen? Yeah, after some time it will come to rest. So the same idea, that is here the damping force will be much more. Okay, thank you.